Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up Vellabox monthly candle subscription, and I have the setup so hopefully Emmy will make an appearance. She's super hyper right now. Oh, bless you! Did you just sneeze? But candles. Vellabox is, like I said, is a candle subscription. They have 3 different tiers, so it is able to fit into most people's budgets. And I do have a code with Vellabox to save 50% off your first box. So I will link Vellabox down below along with that code if you are interested. All of their candles are made from local artisans in the US. They're made in small batches. They're made without any of that icky stuff. You know, I never thought about it till like a few years ago, like what you're putting in the air if there's toxins in your candles and stuff. I mean, it makes sense, but they don't have anything in it like that. And they smell so good. The burn time is amazing, and they're a very sustainable company. So I totally love and support Vellabox. This is kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored. Hey, my co-unboxer, what's up? If you guys are new here, hi, I am Kitty and this is Emmy, and we unbox, or I unbox subscription boxes every day here at 5 p.m. Eastern time, so I hope you consider sticking around and subscribing if you like subscription boxes as much as we do. So let's get started. I get the Vivere tier, which is the highest, and it is like $30, and you get one 16-ounce candle, and all the candles come in a reusable bag, and there's always an extra goodie as well. And this is what it looks like when I open it up. There's a quote: "The more grateful I am, the more beauty I see." Mary Davis. I love that. And oh my god, you guys, the bag is so cute. Perfect for May. There's flowers. Oh. And then we have a little card inside that talks about where our candle comes from and our little bonus. I'll show you guys that last, but again, here is the bag. What do you think, Emmy? And I did recently start, like a few months back, a scent profile, so you can let them know what scent you like and don't like, which is awesome perk. And the candles this month are from Sarah Jane, and I received the scent Dream. This sounds so nice. I'll read the notes in a moment. Is it gonna focus? No. There it goes. So this one has notes of lavender, cedarwood, vanilla, and it's hand-poured soy wax. And it's Sincerely Sarah Jane is the company. And they're based out of Seattle. This smells so good. It definitely smells most like vanilla with lighter hints of the cedarwood and lavender. But it smells really good. It's not it's not super strong. I'm trying to get better with my scent descriptions. Let's see if it has. It does have something. So, okay, you guys ready? Take a deep breath in. In this dream, we don't want to wake up. Close your eyes and let this scent take you to your happy place. We're seeing lavender fields of plenty and the beauty of spring all around. It does smell really good, you guys. And this would be for those who chose that they like herbal and sweet and spice. Awesome. And then for our bonus, I'm super excited about this because I always am jotting down notes. We got a little notepad, little sticky notes. It says, "Don't forget." And this is Joy Creative Shop for Vellabox. Let's see, is there anything else here? Yes. Oh, they created them themselves. Awesome. Oh, they did it with Joy Creative Shop. We had so much fun creating this notepad. Oh, there's like a little fly. With Joy Creative Shop to match the May Vellabox. I love this. I had one from Ipsy I'm almost done with. So awesome. The candle smells great. I love the extra. I love Vellabox. Every month I am happy with what I get, so I highly recommend. Again, Vellabox will be linked down below along with that code to save 50%. Definitely take advantage of it. And it's a great last minute Mother's Day gift because you can get them a subscription like printed out so that it's coming their way. I didn't even think about that. That's this Sunday, you guys. Let's get on it. Or note to self. I can write it down on that notepad. Perfect. But anyways, that's it for today, guys. I love you so much. Again, if you haven't yet subscribed, I hope you consider doing so before you go. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye. I love you.